Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expressions, match all numbers. You have learned shortcuts for common string patterns like alphanumerics. Another common pattern is looking just for digits or numbers. The shortcut to look for digits is \d with lowercase d. This is equal to the character class 0-9 inside the square bracket, which looks for a single digit of any character, any number between 0 and 9. Use the task for this challenge. Use the shorthand character class \d to count how many digits are in movie titles. Written out number 6 instead of 6. Do not count. So in this case we just have to use, we can use both. I am using \d, but we could also have used this character class, and for repeated use we use g, so that after checking for one it will check for another and so on. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.